Welcome to this awesome tutorial. Hey, don't look down, just stare at the screen and do what I do. Repeat after me. Whatsoever I type, you type as well. So in this awesome tutorial, I'm going to tell you about how to actually work from output to input. You see an output, how do you get the code for that output? I'm just going to show you how to do it. First of all, I have to copy the formula. It's a formula we're going to use. Let me highlight it. As you can see, you're going to use the formula a lot, so let's keep it 100. Let's keep it cool. Let's try and make it work. The main thing you have to know is that this formula can actually be used to get anything you want to do on your program. All you need to do is actually to use it and to maintain it. Always look at the formula whenever you're running the code. Whenever you run an error, just look at the formula and see, oh, is this thing there, is this thing there, is this thing there, is this thing there. That's just what happens in C++. The more you look at it, the more you study, the more you code, the better you become. So let's do some fast, cool and epic coding tutorial today. And when you have a red dot, just click on the number. You will see the red dot will be gone. Let me show you. I click it, it's gone. If you didn't get that part, all you have to do is replay. So let's go. Now you're giving output John, that's the name, age 23, school Cyprus International University. So we're just going to do the same thing. First thing, let's do the same thing. We're going to use John. Let me use shift on the on-screen keyboard to get those dots. Please make sure they are the same. So if you can actually wander through your mind that, oh, this is what actually went down in this question, in this code, this is what they were trying to talk about, you can actually solve any question in C++. That's how easy it is for you. Okay, let's use ENDL, because each output is on a different line. So I'm just going to copy and paste. Don't be lazy, just type everything. Okay, we'll copy and paste again. Ctrl V. Yeah, that's cool. We'll align everything on the same line. So now basically all we're going to do is just to edit. We change the name to age, the last name to school. Okay, for the first part of the video, as you can see, I'm actually typing it for you. The remaining part of the video, you're going to do it with me. You're going to do it yourself too. That way you're going to learn it and you'll not forget, and you will blast, you will do well for sure, you will kill it. So as I said, always make reference to this first part of the video. The remaining part of the video is for you. Let's drag, it's blocking us. Oops, yeah, we'll drag back, yeah, drag back. I'm not actually gonna tell you to pause the video. I'm actually gonna go mute. That way you will just watch the code and you do it along with me. Let's run the program. Oh my god, it didn't run. So let's check the formula and compare with what we have. You can see hashtag is well written. Using namespace std is well written. Int main is well written. Curly brackets, we have the first opening curly bracket, cout, name John. Something must be missing. Let's highlight. Do you see the error? Do you see where the error is? I think it's at Cyprus International. We need to bring it backward. So let's take the mouse there. Bring it back. Let's run. Oh my god, I think I see. Can you see something? The formula did not end with a curly bracket, so we're gonna use the on-screen keyboard. I think that's where the error is. Cool, you can see. So the curly bracket is very important in this tutorial. You have to use it, because if you don't use it, your code will not run. So you have, now you can see how important the formula is. The formula can actually help you to debug any error. All you need to do is to check your formula and see, oh, this is there, this is not there, this is there, this is there, this is there, this is there. As you can see, with the formula we are able to stay off errors. Okay, let me toggle to the next question. Now we're going to do a more interesting example. In this example, you're just going to try and do it yourself. Do it along with me. I'm going to keep mute. All I do is just to type. Then you do the rest. We are told to display this output. How do you get to this output? You can see it's a food menu. And it has a menu 1, 2, 3. So how do you get to that output? Let me highlight it. Okay, so to get to this output, you can just watch this video carefully and see what I'm going to do. You do exactly the same thing. Don't switch control. Just look at the screen. Stay at the screen. You can sit, you can stand. As far as you're comfortable, it's okay for me. What am I supposed to use? Okay, int main void cout food menu. Yes, don't worry, as you code you become faster and better. But with this tutorial, I can tell you that you can go into an exams and come out 5 minutes after, because basically this is what you're gonna see. Once you can be able to tell this is how the output came about, you can actually solve any question. It's one thing to have an idea about how the questions came about. So let's go. Hope I'm not. Return 0, curly bracket. My signature still remains. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. Okay, let's run it. Now I hope everything is okay. Yeah, I have a cout, we have everything. Let me check. Yeah, it corresponds to the formula. That means we can run, compile and run. Wow, that's cool. So as you can see, it has everything in the output. That means the code is correct. That means our code is correct. As I said earlier, this video is how to get the output. If you have an output, how was the output gotten? You can see we typed the code and it brought out exactly what is in the output section already. So let me highlight it again so that you can see the difference. It's the same thing, you can see, with what's up here. So let's do another one. This one I'm going to leave it to you as I did in the previous one. This time I'm not going to say even a word. You can do it. I know I believe in you. I know you can do it. I know you can do it. Okay, thank you for watching. In the next video, we are going to look at Cin. Cin simply means input. If you are asked to write a program to take command from the user, to take inputs from the user, what are you going to do? So in the next video, I'm going to explicitly discuss input and how to use input, how much input the program asks you. Is it 2? Is it 3? Is it 4? You're going to know how to manipulate and to decipher what to do when you're given an input question, a question whereby you're supposed to enter a student number, you're supposed to enter your name. What are you going to use? Is it an integer? Is it a character? In the next video, you're going to find out. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Mano.